Welcome back everyone. Uh, Here I'll go with the draft set annotations and dimensions. Dimension snap opposite distances, split dimensions, predefined layers and center line. So first let me directly deal with dimensions. I'll just select entities. Select matching, I need to type SELE. Select matching and delete. Now again select this total drawing and right click on it and delete the bounding box. So if you want to create the bounding box, again draw the rectangle on the particular drawing. Draw a rectangle and right click on it and I'll select dimension bounding box create by selecting dimension tab and auto dimension using baseline option and only selecting polyline as my default one. You can see the preview. Apply, close. Now that is how we use auto dimension. Here I'll use options by using drawing settings. In the dimension snap opposite distance, I'll specify the snap distance between two dimensions is 15 and the angle snap is 15 degree. I'll apply it when I use smart dimension, and if I specify the dimension, I can snap the dimensions of the previous dimensions like this. So this is how the snapping works. Now split dimension. I'll select the dimension which I want to split and I'll go to home annotation tab and I'll select split dimension. Hit enter. This will help you to get the dimension in a proper way. I'll do the same with this dimension. I'll hit the enter to run the same split dimension tool. So this is how the split dimension create bounding box for the dimensioning, that is auto dimensioning, and the rearranging dimensions. You can just drag and drop to place the dimension wherever you want. Center line. Here in this particular drawing I want a center line. I'll switch to home and center line. I'll define the two edges. And thus I'll select this entity and this entity to create the center line. Now comes predefined layers. I'll go to mechanical setting. In this setting I'll choose layers. I'll enable the predefined layers. For the particular layer I'll assign the dimension. So for dimension I'll assign am3 am3 layer should be of dimension of the standard predefined layers. I'll click OK. Then that particular layer will be assigned with the same layer which we specified now in the predefined layer. Thank you for watching.